If you're looking for the truth about importing restrictions to avoid costly mistakes, you're in the right place. And I get it. You're thinking about importing a car, but unsure about the rules. Trust me, one small mistake could mean your vehicle is stuck at the port. And we've seen it time and time again. Or worse, you can't register it at all. Let's break down what you need to know so you don't waste your time or money. Let's start with the Bahamas, right? No cars older than 10 years unless you get special permission from the Ministry of Finance. If you bring in an 11-year-old car without clearance, it's not clearing. It's as simple as that. Other Caribbean countries, such as Turks and Caicos, 10 years. Jamaica, 6 years. And in some cases, up to 30 years if heavy machinery. But each country has its own rules, so always check before bidding. How to spot the year of manufacture on auction cars. Car auctions in the US, like Copart, IAI, and Mannheim, will list the model year, but that's not always the same as the manufacture date. To be safe, always check the door jamb sticker. That's where you'll see the exact month and year the car was built. If it's too old, don't bid. Red flag automatically. Some sellers mislabel model years, so always cross-check with VIN lookup tools. Titles that can and cannot be used for import. Let's start with titles that are safe. Clean titles. Best option, no major damage or branding. Recommended only on Mannheim wholesale, and we'll get into that later. Salvage title, rebuild title, rebuildable titles. Some ask, Josh, what's the difference? Rebuilt and rebuildable. Rebuilt means someone previously restored and registered it, while rebuildable means no one has touched it but is able to be rebuilt. It's as close to saying salvage, which differs state to state, mostly seen in Florida auctions. Titles that will get you stuck at the port for sure. Bill of sale only. No proper ownership transfer. Do not bid. Title of destruction or junk titles considered non-road worthy. Cannot be registered at all. Do not bid. Certificate of parts only. The car is legally scrap. You'll never get it licensed. Do not bid. Now, you know what to look for what to avoid, and how to check before you buy. The worst mistake you can make is buying a car without understanding the title and import rules. So if you're ever unsure, ask someone who knows the process. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe